Hello and welcome to Danziger Down Flower Farm online tutorials. In this tutorial we will be discussing the manipulation or management of existing orders. In the previous tutorial we discussed how to create orders. So let's get right along. I'm going to start off by clicking on Start, All Programs, going into Danziger Down Flower Farm and opening up the application. Just like in previous tutorials, we place our customer ID number. In this case it will be our fictitious English flowers. Okay, and now we make sure again that we are who we are, English flowers in this case, the name of the person who's making the order, and I click on existing orders. Once I've done that, in the previous tutorial on creating new orders, I specifically made it from week 40 to week 45, so it does not overlap the other demonstrations that I have. So again, I'll choose that range from 40 to 45. Okay, I just click on search, and here we have it. I'm going to start off with the color scheme. The ones that are in black and white, as you can see here, those are the ones that have already been submitted and are already on Danziger servers. The one in purple, or the ones in purple, are the actual drafts. If you remember on the previous tutorial, we just saved them as drafts for later on inspection and maybe submitting it if we would like. So now we will just click, for instance, on one of them. We'll click on this one to make sure these are the crops and varieties that we would like to order. Next, you can actually click on editing or edit order, and you can edit the actual order. You can update the quantity, delete the variety, add another variety, and so forth. Now what will happen automatically on the pane of all the varieties and crops, your specific order will come up first. As we can see, Bacopa new, with the relevant total of quantity per variety. If I click on that individually, as I mentioned before, the availability might have changed. So bear that in mind. And as we can see, we've taken 100 cuttings from Kenya, since it's marked in red. That is the source it's taking the cuttings from. Again, it's giving me the date. Week 40. I can change the secondary customer if I would like. And again, just like we've shown before, how to add a new crop, a change an existing crop, and so on. And then I can right away submit the order. And then once you've submitted it, the purple color that was saved as a draft should now become black and white with a tag of submitted. And as you can see here, automatically have the order summary, and in green the order that is confirmed and is placed in our system. So now if we take a look, that order that was once purple is now submitted and has changed its status. Another thing we can do is cancel an order. If there's a specific order that after saving it as draft I would not like it, I can just cancel it. You can say yes for confirmation, and then that should change its status to red. It takes quite a while. Give it a little bit of a reset, and then the status that was originally draft would actually turn into red to tell you that order that you have made and saved as a draft has been cancelled, and again automatically open up a summary with in red saying that the order has been cancelled. In this case it was the mixies. Okay, let's just take a look here. Here it is cancelled, and we can see that it's in red. Now, even though it has been cancelled, I can actually edit that order. I say yes. Okay, like I said before, the order will come up automatically at the top, and I actually can save it back as draft or resubmit it. So you can cancel an order, it's not automatically deleted, and in case you made a mistake, and you can also resubmit it if you like. Okay, that was editing orders, whether they are submitted, whether they are in draft or cancelled. The next thing is a search bar, where if you do not remember the order but you do remember the crop that you actually ordered, let's say a Garanthemum, it will search all the orders concerning that crop. In this case, here are all my orders, what I've actually ordered, so it will be an easier way for you to search. Want to go back, you click on the search bar, delete, and then search. I click search, make sure that it's deleted, gets you back to all your orders that you previously had. In this case here, I can also type in any search query I would like. For instance, if I think I had a mixes there, if I click on mixes, nothing came up. Anything to do with the actual order, it will show you. I think there was also a variety called chick. No. Okay, so we've discussed so far the submission of cancelled orders, saving as draft, converting the draft to submitted orders, and so on. Next, I'd like to show you if you would like to duplicate a specific order. Let's say an order that we've already done in week 40, and I'd like to duplicate it or move it to another week. I click on move order, I click on move, and then I can change the secondary customer, the destination. Let's change it to, let's say, test 333. I can move it to week 46. Okay, and I click on move. So that order now, the order was moved. Click on exit. Remember, I did all my orders in the previous tutorial between week 40 and week 45. So if I now go to week 46, just to see that that has actually moved. And here you can see that I've changed the week from what it was originally, week 40. Now it's changed to week 46. That was the move order. Now I will show you in the exact same pane. We will be changing it from move order to also move and duplicate. You can duplicate the exact same order. The original order, let's say now is week 46. I can duplicate it to many weeks. So let's say we'll go from week 47 to week 50. And another thing that you do not have in the move, I can actually custom select the range of weeks that I've had. So I can change it from, let's say, week 47. I would not like week 48, leave 49, leave out 50. Again, add in the secondary customer if necessary, and in the custom order you can't change, and I just click on duplicate. So now if I go back and change my range from week 46 to week 50, then click on the search, speed it up a bit, then I will see week 49 and so on. Here you go, I've just reduplicated the order 46 for week 46, and just to show that it's been duplicated, I changed the destination from London to Las Palmas, sorry. That was the move and the duplicate option. Next is the order details. It will open up a window explaining to who the secondary customer is. Obviously you can add in your customer order or purchase order and any remarks that you would like concerning this order for yourself, so you can mark it. This is a test remark. And click on update, and automatically under the column of remarks you can see it. Again, remember that the columns are interchangeable, so if I would like the quantity right next to my orders, it will just be very easy just to move it. I want to also see the statuses. I'm not too interested about the custom order, and the remarks if I have any. Next, you can print that specific order, and it will again open up in a PDF file so that you can later on use or save. And again, in this case, because its status has been draft, it has not yet been submitted. If I click on new order, it will bring me back to the previous tutorial where you just create a brand new order from scratch. Okay, I hope this was informative for you, and thank you for listening.